Good morning. Losing track of time, 31st of March. Happy Mother's Day yesterday to all the mums. But we forgot to sign off yesterday. It ended up being not necessarily a long day. I think we just got a bit tired by the time we arrived here. And we arrived at a forestry site. They often have little park ups. We stayed in one or two in Wales and they were brilliant. This one again, it's free. You've got a bench, you've got bins, and you're, as you can see, surrounded by nature. Only downside to this one is there is a main road there. But look at the sunshine today. How good. Very lucky so far, very lucky. So there we are, tucked away. Plan for today is Emma wants to go visit Culloden. She's been a big fan of that Outlander show. I believe I've got the name right. Obviously that's a bit of a pilgrimage for that. Later on in the trip we'll do a bit more me and her stuff, which is the Harry Potter. But for now, Culloden for her. Obviously lots of historical significance there as well. And then we move on to start the NC500 today. And we'll probably end up halfway up towards John O'Groats. And we'll let you know as and when and how we get on. But for now, that looks very good.
I'm alive. Just
Sunshine.
sun is shining, got the sunnies on. Everything is happy days. So we had a wonderful breakfast this morning at the North Way Cafe. It was very nice, very tasty. Lots of it.
No, every meal we've had have been ridiculous.
Delicious. And now we've made our way over to Culloden. Because, well, one of the main reasons is because I watch Outlander and it's a great show. And I'm just educating Tom on the history of Scotland/Outlander. I'll show you more videos when we get closer down there. But the red flags symbolises where the government, so the English side, their front line, and the blue flags symbolise the Jacobites' front line. So it shows you just how close they were, really. And then basically the Highlanders, the Jacobites, they charged first, and then they basically they met the English at their front line. So the Jacobites came all that way across the moor because the English were basically just bang, bang, bang at them the whole time, and they didn't stand a chance.
No.
Apart from James Fraser. My Outlander fans.
Time travel.
Right, let's go have a look around. we just parked up at Port Mahomet tonight, or this evening. It's about 5 o'clock. And we've had a lovely little walk along the beach, and now we are
devastated no pubs are open.
Yeah, no pubs are open, so we popped to the shop, the post office, the little local, and we got ourselves some drinks. So that's us for the evening. We're going to probably sit on the beach for a little while, enjoy the coast, and then make some dinner and go to bed. Tomorrow we're planning on going up to the lighthouse, just up the coast from here. But yeah. You hardly tasted it.
Yeah, yeah.
It is my turn to do the cooking tonight because I'm finally feeling up to the task. We've got sausages and soup. So we're going to do some sausage sarnies, some bread, Tom got a nice little bread roll from the local shop, and then we decided to just have some soup with it as well. So see how we go. We've made it to Durness Lighthouse with wonderful views. I mean, gorgeous. Look at it. So pretty, and with all lovely birding wildlife Tom could.
I think I've got
ever
3 or
need.
4 new birds already. It's amazing.
Brilliant.
Mm.
Happy days. We're going to head off in a little bit once we've finished here to Dunrobin Castle, because they've got like a falconry show at 11:30 that Tom will definitely want to see because they've got some owls in there. Well, if we can see it, we can see it. But that should be nice. And then we'll carry on heading up the coast. See if we can get to John O'Groats today. Another lighthouse. 2 lighthouses in one day. Maybe it's our lighthouse day. Yeah, here we go. in at Dunrobin Castle. Just making a quick lunch before we head off. We're going to go to Walligo Steps and see those. But Tom's just making a lovely ham and cheese toasty. So, very excited. So we've just parked up and heading down to the Walligo Steps now. Lovely, beautiful coastal drive, and then all of a sudden the Walligo Steps were on our right and we were going a bit too fast to turn off, so we had a little bit of a detour, 5 minutes down the road, yeah, and then we turned around and came back. So now we're at the Walligo Steps. So there's a lovely little viewpoint first of all, just across. What do we have? A person! Bottom of Walligo Steps. There are 365, I might have that wrong, steps, all the way down to the bottom of the coastline, because basically back in, I want to say the 1800s, I'm just going to say back in the day, the fishermen's wives came to collect the fish from the fishermen. And this is where they would do it, from the bottom here, and so to make their lives a little bit easier they carved steps into the cliff, and they did this every day, multiple times a day, to collect the catch that their husbands had made that morning, basically. It's gonna be fun going the way back up. Wasn't any trouble on the way down, so we'll see how we go. This is what it's like engaged to a murder. Oh, he's so cute. Careful. We were just about to leave.
Oh, that's not cute, bro. That's poo. See that giant amount of dust that just came out. Oh.
Lovely. We were just about to leave, and then all of a sudden he goes, oh, no, stop, there's a gullymop. So we are now spotting gullymops. do I need to stand up?
We will do later, but...
Good morning. We are on our way to John
And it is a good morning.
It is a good morning. It's beautiful, sunny. Hopefully.
Are we in Turkey or are we in Scotland?
Yeah, we're heading up to John O'Groats and Durness Head today.
In the UK.
Most northern point in the UK, yeah.
And it's 12 degrees.
It's lovely.
At 9 o'clock in the morning.
So we're gonna head up that way, and then I think we're gonna try and find ourselves
I might
over
stop with someone's
in
eggs and get some free egg white.
Thurso. Yeah, we need to do eggs, don't we? We're
Fresh,
gonna
free range eggs.
head over to Thurso. Hopefully we can get our fish and chips today. I don't care where from. Either we get it for lunch in John O'Groats, or we can get it in Thurso later.